Hello my dear Barbie lovers, I'm Busy from Germany in case you don't know me, and Barbie repair is my topic here on my channel. If you are a vintage Barbie doll collector or a Barbie doll collector in general, here's a good tip to help you to keep the value of your doll, because I give you the pretty easy tip to move your Barbie doll's legs regularly. Why? Because we have something that's called leg fusion in the Barbie world, and you don't really want this to happen to your doll because it can decrease the value of your doll because you can't move the legs of your doll anymore. And how does this happen? Well, it's a chemical reaction that the rubber of the legs melts to the PVC of the Barbie body over a time. Can happen within a few months, can happen within a few years. That's depending on the environment the dolls are in and where you are living. But you don't really want this, and that's a real issue, and I tell you about this today to help you to keep the value of your doll collection. When the legs of a Barbie stay in the same position for too long, especially between 1959 and 2004, with the full rubber legs, the rubber can fuse to the torso, and that's what you see here. The body can melt to the clothing, and for a solution, please watch my video how to make an underdress from acid-free silk paper. It does not only damage the doll but also decreases the value. This is an extreme example, but that's one of the most extreme ones I have in my collection. And yes, this especially happens to the ones from South America. Some Barbie dolls, like this one from Venezuela, are particularly prone to the problem, but really it can affect any doll from 1959 until 2004. Moving the legs every now and then can help to prevent this from happening. Now, what can you do when it has already happened and you can't move the leg of your doll anymore? Well, I then can recommend you WD-40. It's an oil, but it can help us to get stiff legs moving again, or frozen legs moving again. You just have to spray where the leg is, and then you wait for a few minutes, and then you try to move it again, and when you are lucky you can move the leg afterward again. I know it's really simple, but be sure that this doll has no broken hip. This can also happen when you try to move it and you are not careful, you don't do this carefully enough. The attachment where the leg meets the body, it can break. The construction where the leg is attached to the body can break when you don't do this carefully enough, and you can't repair a broken construction of the leg inside. When she's broken, she's broken. Then you have a doll with a broken leg and you can't fix it. What can you do to prevent that your dolls get leg fusion? Well, there's a very simple method. You just have to remind yourself regularly to do this. And how can you do this? You can use a list. You can make yourself a list and remind yourself via list to do this. Or you can use your smartphone. You can use a calendar app like the calendars you have on Google. Or you can use another specific app that you maybe have pre-installed on your smartphone. And you can use this one for setting yourself a reminder to remove the Barbie legs. That's very easy. Remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in keeping your Barbie dolls in top condition. Whether you have a rare Barbie from the 1970s or a Venezuelan Barbie. This simple tip will help to keep her legs moving freely and maintain her value. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on preserving vintage Barbie dolls. See you very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye and happy collecting.